What if the biggest problem with Ford's EcoBoost engines has finally been solved? After years of complaints, expensive repairs, and damaged confidence, Ford says the EcoBoost nightmare is over. For 2026, the company has introduced major changes that target the issues that frustrated owners for more than a decade. And according to engineers, these are not small updates. They are the result of years of research, testing, warranty data, and real-world feedback. For many years, EcoBoost engines represented a simple idea: deliver the power customers wanted while improving fuel economy and reducing emissions. By combining turbocharging with smaller engine displacement, Ford created a powertrain strategy that quickly spread across its lineup. From cars and SUVs to trucks, EcoBoost became one of the company's most important technologies. At first, the formula looked like a huge success. Drivers enjoyed strong performance, impressive torque, and better efficiency than larger naturally aspirated engines. But as more vehicles accumulated mileage, concerns started to appear. One of the most serious problems involved coolant intrusion. In some EcoBoost engines, certain design characteristics allowed excessive stress around coolant passages and cylinder walls. Over time, repeated heat cycles could create conditions where coolant entered the combustion chamber. Owners often noticed rough starts, misfires, white exhaust smoke, and in severe cases, complete engine failure. Another major complaint involved carbon buildup. Because fuel is injected directly into the combustion chamber, intake valves do not receive the cleaning effect that traditional fuel injection systems provide. As oil vapors moved through the crankcase ventilation system, deposits gradually formed on intake valves. Those deposits could affect airflow, reduce performance, and create drivability concerns. Turbocharger reliability also became a topic of discussion among owners and technicians. Many EcoBoost engines delivered excellent service for years, but some experienced premature turbo-related problems. Heat management, lubrication concerns, and long-term wear sometimes affected durability. In colder climates, oil dilution complaints added to owner frustration. According to experienced technicians, the problem was never the EcoBoost concept itself. The technology worked. The challenge was making sure every component could handle years of real-world use under countless driving conditions. As vehicles accumulated mileage, Ford gained valuable information about where improvements were needed. By the early 2020s, the company had access to a massive amount of data. Warranty claims, dealership repairs, oil analysis reports, and engine inspections all helped engineers understand recurring patterns. Rather than relying on small adjustments, Ford reportedly launched a comprehensive effort to identify root causes and improve long-term reliability. Engineers compared engines that failed early with engines that accumulated high mileage. They studied cooling performance, gasket durability, oil control systems, material behavior, and operating conditions. The goal was simple: find the weak points and eliminate them. The result is the 2026 EcoBoost redesign. One of the biggest improvements begins with the engine block. Ford confirmed a revised block structure designed to address coolant-related concerns at the source. Reinforced cylinder wall areas, updated coolant jacket layouts, and improved materials are intended to reduce distortion during heavy loads and repeated heat cycles. Engine builders note that increased rigidity can significantly improve durability. By strengthening critical areas, Ford aims to reduce the likelihood of the problems that contributed to coolant intrusion concerns in earlier designs. Cylinder head gaskets have also been updated. The new design uses improved multi-layer construction intended to better handle expansion and contraction during extreme temperature changes. According to Ford, these changes help maintain sealing performance throughout the engine's life. Thermal management became another major focus of the redesign. Engineers determined that uneven temperature distribution could create localized stress under demanding conditions. For 2026, coolant flow has been redesigned to improve consistency across all cylinders. The updated cooling system features revised coolant routing, improved flow management, and more precise temperature control. Certain versions also benefit from upgraded electric water pump strategies that can respond more effectively to changing operating conditions. Experts say improved thermal control affects far more than engine temperature. It helps protect oil quality, supports turbocharger durability, improves combustion stability, and reduces stress on seals and gaskets throughout the powertrain. Ford also targeted carbon buildup. The new EcoBoost engines use an updated positive crankcase ventilation system designed to reduce the amount of oil vapor entering the intake system. By limiting contamination before it reaches intake components, engineers hope to reduce deposit formation significantly. The company also refined intake airflow characteristics. Improved airflow management helps reduce the conditions that allow deposits to accumulate over time. While the engines continue to use direct injection, updated calibration strategies improve combustion efficiency and reduce unwanted byproducts. Many technicians believe these combined improvements could greatly reduce the need for intake cleaning compared with previous generations. Turbocharger durability received considerable attention as well. Ford confirmed updates involving bearing materials, lubrication pathways, and heat protection. These changes are intended to improve reliability during heavy use and high-temperature operation. Engineers also adjusted boost management strategies. Rather than creating unnecessary stress through aggressive pressure spikes, the revised system delivers smoother boost control while maintaining strong performance. The goal is to provide the power drivers expect while reducing strain on critical turbocharger components. Oil system improvements represent another important part of the redesign. Updated piston ring designs improve oil control and help reduce contamination. Revised fuel management strategies minimize the amount of fuel that can enter the oil supply under certain operating conditions. Ford also refined oil delivery throughout the engine. Critical components such as cam phasers and turbocharger assemblies receive improved lubrication support. Specialists believe these updates should help maintain oil quality and extend component life over long periods of ownership. While hardware changes receive most of the attention, software may be equally important. The 2026 EcoBoost engines feature updated control systems capable of monitoring engine conditions in real time. Temperature, load, knock activity, and other operating factors are constantly evaluated. This allows the engine to adapt when necessary, protecting components during demanding situations while maintaining efficiency whenever possible. Modern powertrains depend heavily on intelligent calibration, and Ford appears to have invested heavily in this area. So, is the EcoBoost nightmare really over? Many independent experts believe the 2026 changes represent a meaningful step forward. The improvements focus on underlying causes rather than temporary fixes. That distinction matters because long-term reliability depends on addressing problems at their source. Industry observers note that previous updates often appeared reactive. The 2026 redesign feels more proactive, with greater emphasis on durability margins and long-term consistency. Fleet operators and reliability specialists are particularly encouraged by reports of improved wear performance during extensive testing. For buyers, these updates could restore confidence in EcoBoost-powered vehicles. Customers who avoided turbocharged Ford engines because of past concerns may begin to take another look. Existing owners may also appreciate the fact that Ford appears willing to learn from previous challenges and invest in meaningful improvements. Of course, no engine is perfect. Real-world reliability can only be proven over time. Thousands of vehicles will need to accumulate millions of miles before anyone can make definitive conclusions. But the scope of the redesign suggests Ford understands exactly what is at stake. The EcoBoost story has always been about balancing innovation, efficiency, and performance. Along the way, durability concerns created frustration for many owners. Now, Ford believes it has finally addressed those concerns through stronger engine structures, improved cooling systems, better oil management, more durable turbocharger components, and smarter software controls. If these updates perform as advertised, the 2026 EcoBoost lineup could mark a turning point. Instead of being remembered for reliability concerns, EcoBoost may once again be known for delivering the combination of power, efficiency, and dependability that Ford promised from the beginning. And if that happens, this could be the moment when the EcoBoost nightmare truly comes to an end.